What's good? I'm gonna just start by saying it has been a rough start to the year, bro. So I took a loss Friday on my Top Step account because I do remember this. I took the loss on Friday was because I think I took a trade before that and I didn't have enough drawdown, so my stop loss I didn't get stopped out on my stop loss. I got stopped out before my stop loss, but it was actually a winning trade on my Alpha Futures account. So it's basically break even, basically. So two losses, and then this is yesterday was my second win. There has been some not so well price action, bro. I didn't even take no trades today. This is what I was expecting us to do. Yeah, 4 hour. Oh yeah, you can see we have two gaps right here. This is our 7 a.m. candle. I was expecting this to either come into this gap. Wait, hold up. I was expecting this to either come into this gap. Motherfucker. Come into this gap here, push higher, right? Or come into this gap to push higher, right? Or close over both of these, get a retracement, take price lower, maybe to this low. Simple as that, bro. I keep all my trades simple. Keep it as simple as possible, especially on the higher time. All I do is look for gaps in the market. I'm either looking for a retracement or I'm looking to target that zone. What is it? So this was Wednesday, right? Mark it out. So this day was after CPI. So we had CPI Tuesday. That is this fucking wick shit right here. You can see we're just going back and forth. Right here, we're just going back and forth right here. This was a news event right here. I think I took one trade on some brand new combines. Where was it? I think I took this down. I basically just gambled the news because there was just some combines just going for a little 1 to 2. I think like right there, seen this hourly close, we pushed into a gap. Seen the hourly close over these gaps, then just going for a simple 1 to 2. I was not gonna take this on my on my funded accounts because I just basically gambled. I mean, I was basically just banking on the news event dropping, and it went against me, and yeah, that's all right. I only put 500 on that anyway, so didn't even lose the accounts. But let's go to Tuesday. So coming into Tuesday, you can see London. This is about Asia range. So what I really wanted to focus on was this gap that London made right here. You can see this is at 2 a.m. This is prime time for a London session. So I see this gap that we get tapped into. 6 a.m. right here in this candle. So I know the beginning of this month has not been great. I have been after my second loss, size down. I've been going into my trades with half size just because if I know that I'm in drawdown, if I know that I'm down, my trades have not been hitting recently, I don't want to just keep going full size on these trades and lose accounts. It doesn't make sense to me because I know that when my winners hit, bro, they hit for way more. So my losses, I really could have this day. I actually could have made more than my losses. Like the past like 3 losses that I had from the beginning of the month, I could have made all of them back this day. I took 2 trades this day. The first one was a winner, and then the second one I got stopped break even because I added in, bro. I got ticked out this loss. I got ticked. I added in. I seen it kept dropping. Put my stops to break even, and then a 1 minute candle came up, swiped me out, and then just kept dropping straight to my TP. It's unfortunate, but that's how it goes, bro. But I didn't chase the market, bro. I didn't uh try to get back in after it already hit my TP. I was done because that second trade that I took, it was already past my time to trade. Yeah, it was already past my time to trade, but I seen an A plus setup. Looked exactly like it was right here actually. It was right here. I can tell just by looking at it. Looked just like my first trade. I had to take it. So let's go into the first trade. Here's the hourly. So that we push into a gap, right? We have already been bearish. Or actually, this is basically just daily consolidation. Just up and down, up and down. But I see that we did not hold this gap from the day before. Right? We keep pushing into this gap. So I see that we close over this gap with displacement. I would expect this next gap that we created to hold, which it did. So scale down. I want to see what we're doing on the lower time frame. Here's market open right here. We get a very big push down. Now I saw this, bro. I from the moment I woke up, I was like, I'm not expecting no trades today. I'm not expecting the market to do anything today, especially because we just had a news event yesterday. I'm not expecting nothing. Which either every day you should not be expecting the market to do anything. Right? You should not be trying to predict the market. You should be reacting to what the market is giving you. So off market open, I see we had this very big push down, right? Then we had another one, very big push down. So I wanted to wait until all the gaps on the highest time frames got tapped into, so that we could take price lower, right? Because I don't want to be inside of this, right? I don't want to get in too early and be taking price down because I don't know where it's gonna end at. I don't know. You can't predict that we're going to stop right here and then reverse up. No, you want the market to make a low and then retrace and then take it down to that low. See, we come up, we tap it, go down to a lower time frame. I do remember right here we did have a SMT with ES, one of these highs. I think it was right here. Yep, there we go, right there. So these two pairs are supposed to be correlating, right? So if I see one sweeps out a liquidity point and we start dropping lower, I would expect the other one to start dropping lower too. See, you could have taken this on ES2. Like from probably here, you could have taken this down to the low. Easy. And this is my entry that I took. I didn't take this first one right here. I didn't take it yet. Or I did not take this one. That would have been a 1 to 3. I did not take that. I didn't want to. I felt like I was getting in too early. I wanted to wait for a little bit more confirmation, which is okay, which is completely fine. It is better to wait for more confirmation and miss your trade than to just take a loss, in my opinion. There's no point in taking a loss trying to chase the market. I didn't know if we were going to where was it? I didn't know if we were gonna come into this 1 minute gap and then retrace. I didn't want to get my fill too late. So what I did was I waited for us to tap this gap, come back up. I literally got this shit right here. Take it. I did a screen record it, but it's on my laptop. I don't got it on here. I would show y'all. Yep, that was my entry down to these lows. I think I went in with 2 contracts here, about $200, $250 here, 2.9. That seems about right. 427 across 3 accounts. $1,200 for the day. Simple trade. Keeping my trade simple. Yeah, that's the first trade. Just a really simple one to 2. Bro, I wasn't okay. So this second trade, don't talk shit. I was not supposed to be on the charts at this time, but I was journaling my trade. The one that I just took, I was journaling that one, and I was going back and forth between the charts so that I could put everything that I saw and where I was targeting, all my confluences. I could put everything into my journal, and then I seen this right here. I seen the exact same trade. These look exactly the same. Exactly the same. So right here, I see, just like right here, we trade into a 5 minute. We start to drop off. That was my entry. Wait, or was this my entry? Oh yeah, this is the one that I was already in. Okay. Okay. I think it was over here. It was past 8:30. Know that. Or just about 8:30. I think this is my second trade that I had. Literally the exact same thing. We have no gaps higher. If we are going to go higher, I would expect us to come all the way up because we have no other gaps, right? So I see this on the 5 minute. I scale down, looking for the exact same thing. It was somewhere. Oh yeah, this is it. I seen this close. That's what it was. Here we go. I think I had my stops somewhere up here. I don't think I had it all the way at the high. Where were we? I think somewhere around here. I think I seen this little tiny 1 minute gap right here. So we were gonna go higher. Probably gonna be up here. And if we were already gonna be up here, we're probably gonna just hit the highs. Especially because we just came off this 1 minute. So I seen this closure, taking it down, looking for just about a 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2. So I did. I went half size on this trade also because it was past my time. I knew it was past my time to trade. So I went very light on this trade. Actually, I don't even think that my stop loss was up there. I think it was right here. Hurting this low, I think. So yeah, I went in very light with this one. I knew it was past my time to trade. I knew it was my second trade of the day. So if this trade was starting to go against me, I wanted to exit this trade. I wanted to exit this trade at the threshold that I would lose my winning day. My profits for the last trade that I took was about $420. So on this trade, I wanted to exit this trade at around the price that would leave me with a winning day for my last trade, which is like $200. I wanted to have at least $200 profit for this day. So if this went against me, I wanted to be out at about $200 profit for the entire day. But I seen that we just kept dropping. We kept dropping. Now where I messed up was I kept adding in, bro. I think I added in twice on this one. I think right here, somewhere around there, and then a little bit lower too, because it averaged my fill way down here, and I literally got ticked out of this right when as soon as I what is it called? As soon as I added into this position, I went break even because I did not want us to come all the way back up. Because you can see this is a this is a smaller time frame uptrend, but I didn't want us to just edge this low and just keep going higher. So I went break even right here. I paid the price, but guess what? I still walked away with all my profits for my last trade. So I was not tripping about this. I knew this wasn't even my prime time to trade, so I was not tripping about this loss at all. But yeah, I literally got ticked out of this trade. But guess what? What did I do? I got straight off the charts. Straight off the charts. I wanted no more. I needed no more. I didn't crash out, bro, because I was already in profit for the day. There was no reason for me to lose all my profits this day over this trade that I probably shouldn't have even taken in the first place. And that I only got break even on. So yeah, bro, we did good this day. We did good. This was amazing price action. This is exactly what I look for every single day. But yeah, anyway, some things I do want to work on is adding in at the correct times. I feel like I don't have a system for when I add into my trades, and then most of the time I get wicked out of the trade, and even though it's going in my direction, I get stopped out, break even, and it goes to my full TP. I also want to start leaving runners for my trades. Like take 75% of my profit off. But even if I do, like, I would already be I would already be break even on this trade after I take my profit. So it doesn't even matter what happens after that. But anyway, that I think that's all I got for today. I gotta go get ready, bro. Yeah, that is my trade for Wednesday. It has been a very rough start to this month. Let me bring my camera. Here we go. It has been a rough start to the month, gang. But guess what? Last month was also a very rough start. I started these accounts with one break even, and then my next two trades. Well, the first trade that I traded, the first day that I traded was a break even. I traded the next day of December. It was a loss. I waited. I didn't trade the rest of that week, and then the next week I only took one trade, which was also a loss. So I was down about $600. I think I was down about $600 starting that month. I took another break for vacation. I came back, bro. I hit for $1,000 on 3 accounts, 3K. And then I did that twice. So if I would have let these first couple losses of that month just ruin the rest of my month, bro, I would not have been in profit for that month. I would not have ended last month in profit. This like, you have, it is so important to not worry about just the day, bro. You have to think about the future. Think about the future, bro. Cause I could have just, this third day, my third trading day, starting last month, I could have just said, fuck it, bro. I'm full porting this shit. I lost my last 2 trades. I'm not in profit, bro. I'm negative now. Negative Nancy. I could have full ported the whole accounts. Lost my shit. So these first couple losses of this month, they don't affect me. They have not affected me. I mean, a little bit mentally, but I know that I'm not over leveraging. I know that I'm not over trading for the day. These are like, I could bring the accounts back. Always. It's always another trading day. It's always another session, bro. There's always tomorrow. There's always next week. All you have to do is be patient. And I've been telling myself every day, I just need to be more patient. There go my vacuum. But I need to be more patient, bro. For sure. I need to be more picky with my trades. I've gotten stopped out of my position, right? Not going with the trend, getting in too early. Just simple stuff. Simple stuff that can be fixed. Instead of me getting angry and going into the next trading day with all this spite just because I took a loss. It's not the end of the world just taking a loss. I got some big shit coming. It's gonna be a little bit, but I got some big shit coming, bro. It's time. It's time. But yeah, that's all I got for today, man. Ended yesterday off plus 1,200, about $420 on 3 across 3 accounts. Like, imagine if I would have taken this. I don't like, these are that was on that was on Alpha Futures. I didn't even take it on my Top Step. But imagine if I would have taken this on my Top Step. I only have 3 accounts right now. Trying to get 2 more past too. But imagine I would have taken that trade on across 5 accounts, bro. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. It would have been 2 bands. $2,000 in a day. In a few hours. Whoa. Not even a few hours. In a few minutes, bro. $2,000 in a few minutes. Like, that is crazy to me. And it's crazy how far I've come. Pause. It's crazy how far I've come, bro. Like, I didn't start this shit off knowing all this shit. I didn't start this shit off not being able to hold my trades, nigga, I still struggle holding my trades all the way through. It's gonna be a struggle every day. I look so fucking rough, bro. I need a cut. All I can do is try to be better. Try to be my better self tomorrow. Terrible start to the month though. Terrible price action. We really have not. We have not gotten any like extravagant moves. We've been very chopped. Those two trades, I took the first one on my combines too. So those are about quarter past. I took my first trade that I took on those was the loss that I showed in the beginning. That's it for the day, bro. Shit, catch me in the next one. I don't know when my next one will be. I should whenever the next day I trade is, I guess. But catch you on the next one, man. Peace. Bro, this shit is uncomfortable. You gotta go. You gotta wait to get that full fresh cut experience, bro. You gotta wait at least 3 weeks, damn near a month. 'Cause when you get that cut, bro, it's gonna hit. You know it's gonna hit.